Hi, everybody. I'm Dr. Pramod Chanda. I'm an orthopedic oncosurgeon, founder of the Yellow Ribbon. I'm the group director of Department of Orthopedic Oncology in HCG. I'm in oncology since about now 17 to 18 years. And with this experience, particularly in sarcomas, that is bone tumors, mainly in children and others. So we know that they are pretty curable. That is about 60 to 70% if treated properly from beginning. So with this background, many of the times what I get the problem is, or the question is essentially, a lot of people ask about what to take, what are the supplements to take during chemotherapy or during treatment or after that or after completely treated. So on this perspective, I wanted to give you the main 5 supplements which I rely on most of the time. There are many, but with a lot of research, a lot of thought process into my mind, what I have thought is these are the 5 very important things what every oncology patient should know of. Number 1, vitamin D3. So we know vitamin D3 is very important in a normal individual also, and even more important in oncology patients, because if you see 60 to 70% of the individuals are vitamin D3 and vitamin B12 deficient. But supplementing them during in times of chemotherapy, in times of surgery, in times of radiotherapy is very, very important. Vitamin D3. One is number one, immunity. And number two, it helps in the repair of the DNA and the normal cellular functions as well, and muscle strength and the bone strength. So these are all extremely important during the treatment of any oncology. Number two is plant-based proteins. See, plant-based proteins are more digestible, and we can give any types of proteins, but plant-based proteins are more digestible, particularly in terms of when they have gut issues because of a lot of chemotherapy drugs and a lot of antibiotics going into the body. So I think they are the more better tolerated and more sought after. Number three is BCM95 curcumin. That means curcumin, we all know it's arishna, we call it. Most of the times it is taken with milk in a regular fashion, but the amount of BCM9, the amount of curcumin what it needs is very high, and bioavailability. That means if you take so much of curcumin in the body and you get only 1% absorbed, it does not help. So you need it to be more bioavailable. More bioavailable means when you take a tablet, it some component which is fatty oil, fat soluble BCM95. It is 7 to 10 times more of bioavailable when you take in that form. So that is another one, BCM95 curcumin. Number 4 is ashwagandha. We all know ashwagandha is so important in our ancient scriptures. Essentially, it calms the cells. What do you mean by calming the cells? It reduces the cortisol levels, and thus the cortisol levels reduces the every DNA multiplication of the cell. That means the more cortisol, the more changes in the DNA, the more the cancer is aggressive growth. Calming the cell and waiting for the cell to repair and giving its time is very, very important, in particularly in oncology patients. That is ashwagandha. And the last, one of the most important is L-glutamine. L-glutamine is very important because it helps in making the mucosa of the gut recover well. This L-glutamine, these are all some of the supplements which most of us generally are not exposed to, not been, because with our routine practice of so many things in oncology, we generally forget all these things to mention. Not only me, most doctors. And essentially with stressful time of a patient, nobody gives an attention. But food, nutrition, a little bit of exercise, a little bit of social and community involvement makes this outcome much better. They reduce the toxicity, they reduce the relapse of the tumor post complete remission of the disease. So they make overall treatment more palatable, or they reduce the side effects. So this is the goal of this video. Share it with all the people who are friends, family, who are having the chemotherapy or some of the oncological things. It may help them, and it's very important. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comments. Thanks very much.